Hello friends, we will continue with the C++ programming language. Today we will cover demo of first program, output of the process and compilation process of the same program. Hello friends, we will start with our first program. Double click on turboc icon. To remove all other screens or all other programs, we have to type Alt F3. Finally, we have this screen. Click on File menu. Click on New. For the full screen, we have to press F5. Now we type our first program, that is #include iostream stream .h, then void main, then starting or opening curly bracket, then cout less than double quotes, in between double quotes we have to type hello, and at last semicolon, then closing curly bracket. As we have seen in structure of C program, we have to write definition of a program. Here, display hello is our definition that we have to write first in a program with comment. This / is known as comment. Now we have to press Ctrl F9 for compilation process. Here we have seen one screen and which is disappeared. So the process of program is completed. Now to view the output, we have to press Alt F5. So here our output hello is on a screen. Again I am pressing a key from the keyboard. So our program is here. So this is our first program. Here output process. Into this hello string will pass to the insertion operator. That insertion operator passes that string to the cout, and cout will display the same output onto the monitor. Here, compilation process of the same program is available. First of all, we have created source code, that is .cpp file. That cpp file or source code passes to the compiler. Compiler will generate object code which is known as .obj file. That obj file will pass to the linker. Linker will link some files which is known as header files or .h files. At last, that linker will generate executable code of the same program which is known as .exe file. In today's lecture, we have completed demo of first program, output process of a program, and at last compilation process of the same program. Into the next lecture, we will continue with the concept of a variable.